Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 3rd, we are doing safety and the first aid. Keep your textbook open, page number 29. In this chapter, we will study that how accidents happen. If by chance, if any accidents is happening, then what are the remedies? What you will do so that accidents can be avoided? And next, how you will deal with the emergencies if the accidents are happening at home, at school, and on the road. I know you all of you know very well how to deal with all the emergencies, but then also you have to watch this video very carefully and keep your textbook open whenever you watch this video. Uploaded videos, it is there in their ERP platform also and in your YouTube channel also. You know, daily newspapers are coming at your home, and newspaper carry lots of news. Different kinds of the news are there in that newspaper. Among them, news of accidents are almost every day you will read in your newspaper. So accidents, they cause harm to life and the property. Even accidents, they cause the pain and the suffering also. So how can accidents be avoided? What are the remedies? So there are some simple rules that we can avoid the accident. We should be follow the safety rules at home, at school, on the playground, and on the road. You know, mostly first we will start with safety at home. Mostly the injuries at home are caused by slipping on the floor. Sometimes when you are playing and you slip on the floor. Sometimes there are the burns also. Sometimes you get the electric shocks. Nowadays this rainy season is going on. So with your wet hand, by mistake, if you are touching any electrical appliances, then sometimes there are the chances to get the shock and chemical poisoning. These are the common things through which you get injuries at home. So first of all, make your home a safe place. Being aware and alert will go a long way in keeping you safe. So first we will see safety at home. See this boy, figure 3.1. Do not leave your toys lying on the floor. First we will start with safety at home, sleeping on the floor. So a person can slip and fall on a wet floor. Yes, sometimes if your mama is doing that brooming and everything at the time, if any wet floor is there, then you may trip over or scattered over the toys or stumble down the stairs. These are the common accidents which happen at home. So to avoid such accidents, we should follow or we should take care of these following things. Keep the floors at home clean. Keep the floors at home clean and dry. First of all, take care that the bathroom and the kitchen floors are not slippery. And if you had used your bathroom and kitchen, if they are wet, immediately dry it. So if any old people or if any children they are playing, they won't slip over there in your kitchen or in your living area. Second, after playing with the toys, do not leave your toys and other things lying on the floor. Some children, they are having this habit that they will play for only 10 minutes, but their toys will lie for 2-3 hours there in their room only or in that living area. So this is very bad habit. Keep your house neat and clean and don't leave your toys after playing, and keep it in proper place, back in their proper place. Use a step ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. Use ladder. If you want to reach at high places, आपको कहीं पर ऊंचे पर आपको चढ़ना है, at the time you have to use ladder, और सीढ़ियाँ आपको लगानी पड़ेगी, और high stool, on that you can stand and you can reach at the high places. So these are the some rules you should take care to avoid the accidents at home. Second, burns. Accidents due to fire in the kitchen can cause the serious injury. Beside this, one can also suffer burns from hot objects, fire, sometimes from the steam also, sometimes from the boiling water, by crackers also, by electrical points also. So these are the some objects through which you will get that burns. So to avoid such accidents, one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen, when especially when that ladies they are cooking, or that girl when they are cooking, or whoever they are cooking in the kitchen, they should not wear the synthetic clothes, because the synthetic clothes easily catch the fire. So one must not wear synthetic clothes in the kitchen. Such clothes catch fire easily. And by mistake, if any kind of the burns are there, immediately apply an antiseptic lotion or cream to prevent an infection. Second, gas stoves when not in use must be turned off. Some of them are having the habit of, or they might forget to turn off the gas. So be careful that whenever your work is over, turn your gas off. They must be checked regularly to avoid the leakage. Sometimes there is a leaking in that gas pipeline also, so regular checkup should be done, so to avoid the leakage from that gas pipeline. So these are the some accidents mostly happen in the kitchen, so it can be avoided by being careful. Next, by electric shocks. How you can be careful at home? You know, electric appliances make your work very easy. Nowadays, so many electrical appliances you are using in the kitchen. Mixture, toaster, oven, blender. So many electrical items you are using at home. They should be handled carefully. So when you are using, especially don't use it with your wet hand, because easily you will get that electric shock. Do not touch electrical fittings with the wet hands. You may get an electric shock. So whenever you are dealing with that electrical appliances, make sure that your hands are dry. It should not be wet. Do not go too close to the table fans or heaters if they are on. See page number 25, figure 3.2. I will show you the figure. See, like this way. Do not get too close to a running table fan. See in your textbook also. Do not go too close to the table fans or the heaters if they are on. And by chance, if someone gets an electric shock or sees a spark, sometimes you might see that from that wires, when you insert that plug in that socket, at the time sometimes you will see that sparks are coming out. The main switch must be turned off immediately. So if you are see that if any spark, if you see, or if someone gets an electric shock, run and switch off the main switch. So these are some rules you should follow, or you should be careful when you are dealing with the electrical appliances at home. Like this way you can avoid the accidents, or you can be safe at home. Next, by poisoning. Accidental consumption of chemicals and medicines can cause poisoning. Accidental means by chance, if you had taken any chemical, or by chance, by mistake, if you had taken any medicine, you are not aware of that. So sometimes there are the chances to get that poison. You get the poison from that type of the chemicals and that medicines. So all these things, poisonous chemicals, should be properly labeled and kept away from the eatables, and especially it should be kept away from the children. So keep all the medicines locked away from the children, and whenever you want to take any medicine, read the label carefully before taking any medicine. And by chance, if any medicine has crossed their expiry dates, then destroy all the medicines. By chance, you might see that in there some houses lots of medicines are lying. They don't know that which medicine has crossed their expiry dates. So on regular basis you have to check that your medicine box, and if any medicine has crossed their expiry dates, immediately destroy all the medicines. Do not take a medicine without asking an adult. Next thing, do not take medicine without asking an adult. Sometimes, if you don't wash vegetables and fruits properly, on that also lots of chemicals they are spraying, and it may cause poison. So properly wash vegetables and fruits before eating them. They may have been sprayed with harmful insecticides and the pesticides. In this case, if you are not able to deal with the patient, then rush to a doctor. Take that patient to a doctor. So these are the some cares. You should take care at home and be safe. Next video we will see safety at school, safety on playground and in the swimming pool. See this figure. Don't go too close to a running table or a fan. Medicine should be kept away from the children, like this way. Keep it on that upper shelf where children cannot reach. Like this way, be safe and be healthy at home. Thank you, students.